everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the home of cookbook recipes, and today we are going to cook from this cookbook. We've already cooked from it a couple of times, and guys, today we are going to cook from Living Well Without Lectins cookbook. This is the book if you don't know it, and this that is on the cover, that's what we'll try and make. It's called Shmabob. Oh, Shmabob. And if I've not pronounced it the correct way, I am sorry. But it is called an open-faced sandwich. Shmabob is a sandwich. Shmabob is a Danish version of an open sandwich. This is what the writer of the book says. She has created a lectin-free version of Shmabob, which is usually made on top of a thin slice of sourdough bread. So this particular version that we'll try and make has no bread. So if you're looking for a Shmabob version that is lectin-free, gluten-free, or the one that doesn't have bread, come. I've got the recipe for you. So we are not going to use bread. We are going to use sweet potato. I've already started introducing my ingredients for the day. So welcome. Let's see what you're working with so that we can begin. I've already started preheating my oven, guys. So this is what you are going to use to make this no bread Shmabob or open faced sandwich. Sandwich. The devil is a liar. I'm going to use some sweet potato. I have some eggs. I have some salt. I have some pepper. And these are our topping, guys. I have some radish, some asparagus, and some fennel bulb. That's all. Yes. Sweet potato, and of course some olive oil. It's a very simple recipe and nice breakfast idea. So I've already washed and pat dry my sweet potato, and I'm going to slice the sweet potato into 1/4 inch. That's what the book says. It says that you can leave the skin on if you want. So we only need 2 sides per person. Let's try and cut this. Let's try and get another one. Yep, I think these ones are okay. So I'll use these ones. So we have our baking sheet. So you're supposed to spread the sweet potato slices on the baking sheet and drizzle with some oil and toast to cook. Yeah. That's where the olive oil comes in, guys. You can use what? Olive oil or avocado oil. We're supposed to bake them for around 20 minutes, but we're supposed to flip them after 15 minutes. But the point is, make sure that they are well done. So as we wait for our sweet potatoes to be ready, now we are going to boil some eggs. I love my eggs well done. And at the same time, we are going to steam our asparagus. I'm making some tea. So we are going to have this with some tea. So let me show you what I do to steam my veggies, because I improvise what I have. There's some water inside there. Then I put that one there. Then my asparagus, I'll get a steamer only, but this is what I have for now. Yay! And they'll be ready. So once the asparagus are ready, you're going to remove them from the pot and then give them an ice bath to stop them from cooking. I think they're okay now. Put them there. So the recipe says that we sprinkle the radish and the fennel with some salt and pepper. We are almost done. Breakfast is ready in a few minutes. Oh guys, I had forgotten to show you some microgreens. Toppings for the Shmabob is the microgreens. I had forgotten. I had washed them and then I was waiting for them to dry. So some microgreens. So let's assemble this thing. We finish. So to assemble the shmabob, the book says that we are going to start with our sweet potato toast, and this depends on how big your slices are. So you can use 1 or 2 next to each other. But she says in this photo she used 2. So we'll try and use 2. Some salt bay and some pepper. Guys, look at that. A replica of what is in the book. Look at this. Look at this. And look at that. Time to taste. Yeah, I'm so excited for this one. I'm usually happy when something turns out exactly like what is in the book. Look at that. Some sweet potato, some radish, some microgreens, some eggs. So here we go. Guys, this is yummy. It's nice. My eggs are well done. My tea is almost ready. Let me put it in the cup. Let me enjoy this meal. It's a very simple meal. In fact, the book said that you can prepare the sweet potato toast in advance. That's what the book says. So that's also a hack for this particular meal. You can prepare the sweet potato toast in advance. So take that and implement and enjoy. Try out this recipe. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Did you prepare it? Was it complicated? How was it? So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye and God bless. Tamu.